Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our social online class here. And we are now you're learning lesson 3, and our topic is clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. In clothes we wear, we have finished 246, page number 246 and page number 247. This yesterday in live classes I have explained you, and we have solved yesterday 246, page number 246 also. Now what you have to do here, you should take, children, you should be ready with your page number 248. You should be ready with your page number 248. So are you ready with your page number 248? Here, take out your page number 248. So here what they have given, I told you there is a two types of fibers we have. One is natural fibers, okay, which fibers will get through the nature, which fiber will get through the nature, and one is artificial. Artificial means what? It's made by us, that is artificial. But natural fiber means which nature will give us that. So now this page they have given about that. Here in page number 248. Here what they have given, children, cotton fibers are obtained from cotton plants. Where cotton fibers are obtained from cotton plants. You know where we will get the cotton? With the cotton plants. Before only I told you, no? See, and the cotton plants will be like this. You can see here the cotton plants will be like this. Have you seen, no? So where it obtained? It obtained from cotton plants. Cotton, we will get the cotton with the cotton plants. Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep and rabbits. And from where we'll get the wool? We'll get the wool from sheep. You know, everyone, the sheeps. You know sheeps? In that sheep's hairs and rabbit hairs. From there we'll get which fiber? We'll get which fiber we'll get? We'll get wool. Woolen clothes. Which cloth you are wearing? Woolen clothes. You are wearing woolen clothes, no? So from the sheep and rabbit's hairs we will get a wool. Now silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Cocoon, silkworm, you everyone? Cocoon, silkworm, you everyone? No. Cocoon, silkworm, you have seen? No. I have many of you have seen. So this fiber we will get from cocoon. Here they have given us silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworms. And you have seen that cocoon, silkworms. There we will get a silk. Now yarn is produced by snipping raw cotton, wool or silk fibers on a spinning wheel. Spinning wheel means what, children? See, yarn is produced by spinning raw cotton. Once again I will repeat. Yarn is produced by spinning raw cotton, wool or silk fibers on a spinning wheel. In the wheel, they will, do you know, have in the old set there are two sides of wheel they will be is there, and they will like a beating. They will beat, and when they will beat, the wheel will be round, and that what will come? That thread, you will get the thread. See here, then the next para they have given, these yarns are woven together to form cloth by interlacing the strands on a on a machine known as a loom. Like this machine will be there. Okay. Like this, you can see, like this machine will be there. In that, what will happen? See, listen. These yarn are woven together to form cloth by interlacing the strand on a machine known as a loom. The machine name known as a loom. So these types, our natural fibers will be getting ready. Okay children, so this way you have to practice this para, and you know from where from your you are getting the cotton, where you are getting silk, where you are getting the wool. So you must know. Okay, so which the method it will be prepared by this. Now here the explain, let us try that. I will give you in the live classes where it will touch. Till that, one more we will page we will finish 249. 249, page number 249, where you have to fill here you have to learn Maria and her family visit a textile shop. Maria and her family visit a textile shop. They see different dresses and fibers. William curiously means, you know, he is very curious, ask the shopkeeper about the different patterns on the dresses and fibers. So what happened here? Maria and her family. Who? Maria and her family visit a textile shop. Where they visit? In the textile shop, they see different dresses. What they have seen there? They have seen different dresses and fibers. Different dresses and fibers. And William curiously asked the shopkeeper. Okay. And William curiously, William is having so curious in that to ask shopkeeper about the different patterns. See children, when you will get the clothes, that time what we are going to get, it's many process will be there. First, like cotton only. In cotton also we will prepare the thread, and thread we will prepare. Then after in the patterns, everything in the afterwards they will read. After that we will do their what work they will do in the patterns. You will get the patterns in the dress and fibers. Okay. So now it is there different parts of India are famous for different prints and patterns. These are created by silk and craft. Now different patterns are is there in the different way. Different patterns are there in the different places. It's by art and like craftsmen. How it will be made by? Some they will do by silk and craftsmen. Okay. So now how do they create these patterns, and how do they create these patterns? We learn in the live classes. Just when we have live classes or recorded class, this 2 pages you have to read and practice very nicely. Thank you children, and we will solve this also. 248 page number they have given. Let us try that also. We will solve. Till that you have to read and practice page number 240, page number 248 and 249. Okay, thank you children.